Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 taskbar drag and drop not working when you open any software. Then if you want to any file and drag and drop in the program, then you can see that it's disabled and not working. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all, select a HKey local machine and expand it. After doing this that, select a software and expand it. After doing this that, find out a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this that, scroll down and find out a Windows. Now here is a select a Windows and expand it. After doing this that, select a current version and expand it. After doing this that, scroll down and find out a shell. Now here is the shell of select and expand it. After doing this tab, select the update and expand it. After doing this tab, select the packages. After that, right click, go to your new and select the default 32-bit value. Okay, and after doing this tab, set a name is undocking disabled. After that, open it and set a value is 1. Click on OK button, close it. Close it, and after doing this that, restart your computer. Okay guys, after restarting your computer, now you can see that the taskbar show like Windows 10, and you can drag and drop any file in any program. Now you can see that it's working. So this is a way to enable drag and drop in Windows 11. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.